Hello students, in last video I explained you internal source of recruitment and methods of internal recruitment. Today topic is external source of recruitment. This is the second method of recruiting when the candidates from outside the organization are invited to fill the vacant job position, then it is called or known as external recruitment. Students, when the organization calling from outside the candidate to fill the vacant job in the organization, then it is called external source of recruitment. It's clear? Now, advantages of external source of recruitment. First is fresh talent. Through external source of recruitment, fresh and new talent come in the organization. As you know, students, okay, डे टू डे द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड आपका मेथड एंड कह लीजिएगा वे ऑफ डूइंग द वर्क आर न्यू विच आर लर्न एंड आपका कह लीजिएगा टेकिंग द नॉलेज इन एजुकेशनल लाइफ और आपका इन ट्रेनिंग पीरियड द कैंडिडेट विल वेल educated, well qualified, well experienced. So through the external source of recruitment, when the organization invite the more and more people to fill the vacant job position in the organization, and when select the best candidate from the more and more candidate, तो there is a more chances, there is a more कह लीजिएगा choice to select the best candidate. It's clear. Second is wider choice. Through external recruitment, the organization gets wider choice to select the better candidates, because in external source of recruitment, organization invites more and more people to fill the vacant job in the organization. Next is qualified personnel. By using external source of recruitment, the management or organization can get qualified and trained persons, because through external source of recruitment, outsiders who's having the well qualified knowledge and excellent experience are comes in the organization to fill the vacant job. Next point is latest technological knowledge. In external source of recruitment, through campus placement, organization can get employees with latest technological knowledge, because in campus recruitment, the senior managers of the organization visit various professional colleges, technical institutes to get the fresh candidate with the latest technological knowledge. Next is competitive spirit. Through external recruitment, when outsiders join the organization, so this develops a competitive spirit in existing employees, means who are appointed already of the organization, जो पहले से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, उन एम्प्लॉयज़ के अमंग एंड आपका जो आउटसाइडर्स हैं उनके अमंग एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट्स क्रिएट्स होती है, which is the benefit, which is the beneficial for organization, because in competitive spirit the work is done in up more quantity. Now the disadvantages of external source of recruitment. First, demerits and disadvantages. The morale of existing employees goes down or falls. जो एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनका जो मोरल है, उनका जो परफॉर्मेंस है, विल गोज़ डाउन, वो नीचे हो जाता है, यानी कि आपका डाउन हो जाता है. Second is the new employees may not adjust in the rules and regulations of the organization, which means more chances of turnover of the employees from the organization. जो न्यू एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस में एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाता, यही कारण है जिसके कारण वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लीव कर जाता है, यानी कि टर्नओवर कर जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव एज टू इनवाइट द आउटसाइडर टू अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब. External source of recruitment is more expensive because in external source of recruitment the organization invite the outsider people at large scale to apply for the job. Organization have to bear heavy burden, heavy cost of advertising cost. Next is external source of recruitment takes long time, so it is lengthy process to get the suitable candidates for the vacant job in the organization. Student external source of recruitment जो है वो lengthy process है to select the best candidate, so it is very lengthy process to get the suitable candidate for the vacant job position. In this way the vacant job position is vacant for a long time. Now next topic is method of external recruitment. First method is direct recruitment. In this method organization paste a notice at the gate of their factory regarding vacant job positions in the organization. People who are interested in those jobs walk in for interview. This method is most suitable for unskilled job positions. Means just example sweeper, peon, etc. Direct recruitment like के आपका अनस्किल्ड जॉब, लाइक के आपका स्वीपर, पेन एक्सेट्रा, इन जॉब को फिल्ड करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट मेथड होता है. Second is casual callers. Sometimes the applications of suitable candidates who were not selected in previous selection process are also kept in application file in the organization. This application file is considered as a waiting list. Students, as you know कि so many applications are kept in the organization in a file of those students who are not, of those candidates who are not selected in a previous selection process and they are in waiting list. Whenever there is a job vacancy in the organization, the suitable candidates from waiting list are called by the organization. When any posts are vacant in the organization, then organization invite the waiting candidates from the waiting list for interview and fill the vacant job position in the organization. Next is advertisement. The most common and popular method of external source of recruitment is advertising. The organizations select the media of advertisement according to the requirement of job positions. Students, एडवर्टाइजमेंट जो है वो सबसे मोस्ट कॉमन मेथड्स है और पॉपुलर मेथड्स है एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट का. एंड मीडिया को सेलेक्ट करना एडवर्टाइजमेंट में अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ जॉब पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग मीडिया को सेलेक्ट किया जाता फॉर द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल कि फॉर द जॉब ऑफ एन अकाउंटेंट द एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैन बी गिवन इन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट जर्नल. अगर हमें सीए या टॉप लेवल के वैकेंसीज़ के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना है तो उसको एक बेस्ट जर्नल में ही मतलब गिवन होगा एडवर्टाइजमेंट. एंड फॉर द अनस्किल्ड एंड lower rank positions, the advertisement can be given in local or regional newspaper. अगर हमारा जो जॉब पोजीशंस है वो अनस्किल्ड या लोअर रैंक के लिए है, तब जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगा वो आपका रीजनल न्यूज़पेपर्स में या लोकल न्यूज़पेपर्स में कर सकते हैं. इट्स क्लियर.